Does your garage door need an update? Today I want to show you how I turned this white metal garage door into a faux wood door. I added hardware and I added faux windows as well. Come with me and I'll show you exactly how I did that. You will need shop towels, gel stain, I'm using the color hickory, blue tape, a can opener, 3-inch brush, and rubber gloves. This is a metal garage door and it has a wood grain texture to it. If you zoom in a little bit or step in, I want to show you. So this has a wood texture, a wood grain to it. And so I want to show you exactly how I'm going to make that look like wood. It doesn't really matter what direction I paint it in because I'm going to wipe it off in the direction of the grain. So I'm just making sure that I get a good coat. The white. What I've done here is I've lifted the garage door just a little bit so I can have it at a comfortable height, and I've also lifted it because I can get in over in the corner right there. You can see there's a little gap, and right here it opens up this so I can get in there and that groove as well. When I'm painting this on, I like to do 2 squares at once so we can have a nice transition. But work quickly because the gel stain can dry pretty quick. And this is where I'm going to take the shop towel and wipe it in the direction of the grain. And you can apply whatever pressure you want. So if you want it less brown, you can apply more pressure and it can wipe off more, but I like to have mine a little bit darker. You can always come back with a second coat. And then after I do that, I like to take a step back and just kind of get a pulled back view to make sure everything looks good. You're going to keep doing that same process over and over and over until you get to the very top, until you finish, and then you're going to coat it with a polyurethane coat. If it is in the sun, I recommend using 2 coats of polyurethane because it can just, I don't know, I really don't know what I'm saying, because I don't know what I'm talking about.
I've been painting the garage door. What do you think?
I have put 1 coat of the gel stain on the garage door, and I actually really like the look of it. I may go back in a couple of places where it's a little bit contrasted and make that blend a little bit better, but for the most part, I really like the way that it looks. I've ordered these hardware pieces on Amazon just to give it a little bit of a more polished look. It was probably about $30. And they have little magnets on the back. I also ordered these rectangles from Amazon. They have a little bit of a sheen to them and they're magnetic. So I'm going to make a window with these. There are 36 of them. I've cut them down to size using a razor blade and a ruler. From the road, it's going to look like you have a nice window, but it's magnets.
Look at that. Look at that. It's real good.